I made a short video. Welcome back. I was doing a video for the March update, and when I went to copy over the files, I noticed that I had recorded back in February the 28th the repotting of this pepper plant. It was meant to be left to see how it would grow after the repotting and then report, and I forgot. I said I should do that. So what follows is the footage from my repotting and the final result of the pepper plant 3 weeks later. Enjoy! I have something to show you here. This is an example now of how we learn by experimentation. So this is a Fat-n-Sassy pepper plant, and as you can see, its leaves are all curled. It's a nutrient stress, which I believe was M.I. Gardner had mentioned at one point, one of the videos anyway, and there's spots on the leaves. This soil that it's planted in, it's just garden soil with compost mixed in. So it's still a small plant. I don't need to plant it up into a bigger pot, but I want to take it out of this garden soil and put it in the potting mixture that I have. So to start with, I just put a little bit in the bottom here. I'll use this little trowel to gently get it out of the pot. Yeah, I'm making a mess, but I can sweep that up later. It's the nice thing about the room that I've got made up here. There's actually quite the root system on it. There's the root system and the plant. Now, I'm going to spread the root system out somewhat. See if I can get some of this other soil mixed in around the roots, so it will recover as fast as possible. Now it's February the 28th. I'll take this I have that little tray there that I often move things out. And just put it there for a minute to soak up as much water as it will. And then I'll do that right away. I'll also sprinkle some on the top here. Just to make sure that gets well soaked. And then in a few days we'll see if that plant recovers and starts looking more healthy. And quickly it does that. I didn't do good measurement when I repotted this pepper. So what I've attempted to do here now is reproduce the setup that I had back then so that I can see what the difference in growth is between then and when I actually put it in this potting soil. That should be about the same setup if I put my hand here now as if I was putting the soil around it. My other hand over here, something like this. So it didn't show much stress at all, and it has grown since I put this in here on February the 28th. It is now putting on flower buds. Quite a few, and yes, the plant is quite small. This is what they do when they're stressed. Actually, they'll try to reproduce when they're still small. So I'm going to go ahead with that and try to get some peppers from the buds that it is putting out right now. So that's the news on the first transfer of the Fat-n-Sassy pepper. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.